I made these talking, walking, and music video avatars in minutes from a single image with natural lip sync.
Coffee doesn't fix life, but it definitely makes me feel like I've got it together. Like one sip, and suddenly I'm making plans.
This is OpenArt AI, and in this video, I'll show you the exact steps to turn any photo into a lifelike talking video with a synced voice, natural expressions, and smooth animation. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Head over to OpenArt AI and from the video section, select the lip sync option. Once you're in, you'll see a few different models like OpenArt, Kling, and OmniHuman. For this one, I'm just going with the OpenArt model because it usually gives the most natural-looking results. The next step is your character. You can either pick from their built-in characters or just upload your own image. I'm going to upload my own here. Right below that, you'll see this prompt box. This is basically where you direct the entire scene. So instead of just writing something random, think of it like you're describing a shot, what the character is doing, how the camera feels, and what the environment looks like. For this one, I'll write something like, a confident young man talking to the camera with relaxed hand gestures, standing on a softly lit city street with a cinematic shallow depth of field during golden hour. Now for the voiceover, you can upload your own audio or generate it directly using 11 Labs inside OpenArt, which is what I'll do. I'll paste my script here, pick a voice, I'll go with an Australian tone, and hit generate. Once that's done, I'll go back and select that voiceover. Now, before generating the full video, let's take a look at the credit cost. For this one, it's around 360 credits. This usually depends on the model you choose and the length of your video. Alright, let's go ahead and hit generate. It usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes, and here's the result.
Hey, you ever feel like things are just moving way too fast lately? Like you're trying to figure stuff out, but everything's already ahead of you? I don't know. I feel that sometimes too. But maybe it's not about catching up, right?
The lip sync is actually pretty clean, and it's got that Australian tone I was going for. It matches the voice really well, and the expressions feel natural. Now let's try something a bit more interesting. Instead of just standing and talking, I want the character to actually do something while speaking, so I'll upload an image of a character holding a coffee cup. Everything else stays the same. The only thing I'm changing is the direction in the prompt. This time I'll write, the character casually sipping coffee while talking to the camera in a softly lit workspace. That one small action already makes it feel way more real. Now I'll use the same voiceover process and generate this one. Alright, here's the result.
You know what I've realized? Coffee doesn't fix life, but it definitely makes me feel like I've got it together. Like one sip, and suddenly I'm making plans, thinking big.
The voice sounds good, the gestures feel natural, but if you look closely when he drinks, it feels a bit off. He just touches the cup and pulls it away too quickly. It doesn't feel like a proper sip. You can fix it by being more specific in your prompt. Instead of just saying sipping coffee, you can say, slowly sips coffee, pauses briefly while drinking, then continues speaking. You can also regenerate it or switch models. Sometimes that alone improves it. Next, we'll try creating a walking character with lip sync. So I'll upload a character that fits more of a walking scene, and in the prompt, I'll just guide it so the character feels like he's walking forward while talking, with a more cinematic vibe. The remaining process stays the same. Now I'll go ahead and generate this. And here's the result.
Okay, quick question. Why does everything feel fine until you actually start doing it? Like I was just walking, chilling, no pressure, nothing. Now I'm running.
The walking actually looks pretty natural. The lip sync is still clean, and it feels way more dynamic than just standing and talking. I did try pushing this further into running, but it didn't come out exactly how I wanted. Finally, let's make a music lip sync video. Here, the first thing is your audio. You can either pick from OpenArt's built-in music or upload your own track. Once you choose that, you can also select which part of the song you want to use. You don't need the full track. Even a short 15 to 30-second segment works really well. Next is your character. Same as before. Upload your own or pick from their library. I'll go with Vera here. Then you can choose your visual style: cinematic, comic, animation. I'll go with a Y2K style for that retro digital look. And then just set your aspect ratio depending on where you're posting. You can preview and plan out the video before generating, like arranging scenes, adjusting timing, and controlling where your character appears. And here's the result.
Sunrise paints a city blush. Footsteps keeping time with hush.
The video actually came out pretty good. Full music lip sync, synced properly. Finally, let's quickly talk about pricing. With the free plan, you can generate a few videos just to test things out, try different models, and get a feel for how the lip sync works. But your credits are limited, video length is restricted, and you won't be able to create consistently. To create content properly with better models, paid plans start at $14 per month. Overall, OpenArt AI is a brilliant tool to create realistic lip sync videos for different use cases. You can generate voiceovers, music, and even specify the exact body movements and mannerisms. So try out OpenArt AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.